Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Textme notifications. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now, select Manage Apps option. In the search bar, type in Textme and perform your search. Tap on Textme application. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn on Textme notifications, tap on the toggle button which is right next to Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn on Textme notifications. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.